Hey guys, welcome to Cooking Shooking. In this video, we will make two types of pizza sauce. Both are very easy to make yet very different from one another. The left one is made using fresh tomatoes and the right one is made using tomato ketchup. So as you can notice, both are very different, yet they taste absolutely delicious on a pizza. Before we begin cooking, you might have noticed there is something new in my videos. So this wall is done by our decor partner for us, which is Asian Paints, and this design comes under their Royal Play wall fashion. I think it's a great addition to my kitchen studio. You should get it done from them if you like it. Now let's get cooking. For the first type of pizza sauce, we will take some tomatoes. So we are going to make it using tomatoes. Here I have hybrid tomatoes, which are also known as pointed tomatoes. I am using Bangalorean tomatoes. I am going to chop them into half. Basically slice them into half and remove the eye. You don't have to boil them or cut them into smaller pieces for now. Just like that, I have halved all the tomatoes, so the tomatoes are ready. Now let's make the pizza sauce. Now we will heat up a pan and add in about 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil or regular oil, all up to your preference. Today I am using refined vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in about 18 to 20 cloves of garlic. These are small garlic. You can also use normal or big sized garlic if you want to. I'm also adding in one chopped onion. I have chopped it roughly. You can also chop it finely or into big chunks as well. Cook the onion for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, we will add in some oregano and basil to it. So here I am adding in a little bit of basil, a little bit of oregano and about 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix the herbs and cook it for about a minute more. Cooking the spices and herbs in oil like this brings in a very nice flavor. That is the reason we are cooking it. Now after 1 minute, we will place in the tomatoes in the oil. After adding the tomatoes, just give it a good stir and then add in about 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also add in more if you want to. Give the salt a good mix. You can notice how the tomatoes have gotten a good shine. That means they are well coated with the oil. Now we will cover the pan and cook it for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can notice how the tomatoes have started to release their skin. You can keep the skin if you want to, or you can remove the skin as well. It is totally optional to remove it. Today I am removing it. Now the next step is to keep cooking the tomatoes and keep breaking it. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to make this pizza sauce, because slow cooking a tomato sauce brings the best flavor in it, and that is how it is made, guys. So we will cook it slowly, keep breaking the tomatoes like this, and after about 10 to 15 minutes this will start leaving the sides of the pan. You can notice how a lot of moisture has evaporated and the tomatoes have got really thick. It is very well cooked now. I'm going to add in a little bit of sugar to it to balance it out. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and about half a teaspoon of paprika. You can also use red chili powder or even yellow chili powder if you want to. Now we will increase the heat to medium high and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. The pizza sauce is almost ready. You can add in a little bit of tomato ketchup if you want to, or even tomato puree, but it is totally optional. I like to add a little bit of tomato ketchup because it really balances out our pizza sauce. I am adding about 3 tablespoons to it and mixing it well and cooking it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now our pizza sauce is all ready. We will turn off the flame and let it cool down completely before grinding it. After the sauce is at room temperature, I will add it to a mixer grinder jar and blend it for about 5 seconds. We don't want to make a paste out of it, just blend it for about 5 to 6 seconds. After that, the pizza sauce is ready. You can totally skip that step also if you want to. See the texture? Doesn't that look perfect? You can keep this in a refrigerator for up to 30 days. Whenever using this pizza sauce, you can mix in a little bit of water to it and then use it. Now let's make a very quick and easy pizza sauce recipe which I make very often, and you might have noticed this in many of my videos. For that, we will take a bowl and add in some ketchup to it. Here I am using about half a cup of ketchup. To the tomato ketchup, we will add in about 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, about half a teaspoon of salt, about half a teaspoon of oregano and basil, a little bit of paprika. You can also use red chili powder if you want to. And finally about 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Our instant pizza sauce is almost ready. We will just mix it up all together and there you go. Our pizza sauce, the second style, is ready to rock. See the texture, it is quite different from our tomato one, as in the real tomatoes one. So guys, both of my pizza sauce is done and ready and I think they are looking absolutely delicious. If you are in a hurry, the tomato one is absolutely perfect for you. If you have the time, make using fresh tomatoes, nothing like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, make sure to leave a comment down below with the recipe that you would like me to make in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for watching. As I said earlier, I hope to see you in my new videos. Bye for now. Make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon beside it so that you get notified as soon as I post new videos on the channel. Bye.